Hello, welcome to my video. As you can see, I'm playing Among Us right now, and my goal for this video is to not talk in the chat at all and see if they'll vote me out. And what I mean by that is that I'm gonna talk a little but not a lot, and yeah, we'll see how that goes for me. They might vote me out or they might not, since I'm not saying a thing, so yeah. We'll see what happens. Now, if I get imposter, that might be different. I might get voted out the second something happens. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. Okay, I got crewmate, okay. I'll be fine. I won't have to talk as much. So yeah, I'll be fine for this round. Alright, so I guess I'll get on my tasks. If you don't know, crewmates have to do tasks, but everyone should know that. Alright, let's get these wires. Alright. I have to do the download. Hopefully I don't get interrupted while I'm doing my download. Alright, I'm almost done. I jinxed it. I really jinxed it. I just said that I hope I don't get interrupted, and I jinxed it. And alright, let's see what he has to say. It wasn't even a report, it was an alarm or a meeting. So yeah, he probably doesn't have anything important to say, which would waste my time because I would have finished the download. Wait, why is it green? Like why? What proof do you have that it's green? Like did he vet or something? He left the game? You're serious? He called and left the game? I mean, like, what was I expecting? Of course he was gonna leave the game. Like, that's what they all do now. I'm just gonna skip. There's no point in voting anyway. Like, that's so annoying. I have to go back and do my download again. Wasted, like, so much time. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this might be a good thing because he called a meeting, and my challenge is to not talk at all, so I guess I really shouldn't be complaining. This is fine for me, actually. I have no idea why I'm getting mad for it, but yeah, whatever. I guess it's fine. We just have to continue on with the game. Alright, that guy was asking about the engineer. If you guys don't know what engineer is, you're able to vent as a crewmate. There's also roles like the angel and like this shapeshifter. If you're an imposter, you can kill and turn into the guy you killed, so yeah. New roles. Really good roles. I liked how they added roles into the game. Or new roles into the game. I gotta get a CO2 things going on. Or I gotta type in the passcode. Oh, I did it wrong. Alright, I suck. Oh, but I got the first number wrong. Alright, get back on with my download. Maybe I'll finish it this time. We'll see. Alright, finished it. Okay, let's go do this other task over here. Alright. Oh. Wait. That orange. Wasn't he in CO2? What? Alright, I'm gonna not talk like at all. I'm just gonna say where and then that's it. I think I'm fine. They're suspicious of dark green, so I'll be fine, I think. Dark and lime. It's the greens. They're suspicious in the greens. They're like fighting over who it is. They can't tell. I don't even know what that was going on. I didn't even see what happened. Alright, so not lime. Alright. They're like, the green's trying to defend himself right now. It's not looking that well. It might be green. Okay, we're voting him out, I guess. Is everyone else gonna vote him out? Skip? Wait, we voting or skipping? Alright, So the lime's clear. I'm just gonna vote for green. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh, he wasn't the imposter. I guess I'll just carry on my tasks. Oh wait, the door is closed. Oh god. We're gonna get double kill here. Maybe not. Maybe not. The door's open. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Wait, actually, I might just stay to see if someone gets killed. Lime and pink. Lime was suspicious. Oh, other pink. Did anyone die? Lime and pink rolling out. The light pink is in lime's. Oh. Oxygen. Oh god. Oh, never mind. Body reported. Where? Just gonna say where. And that's it. Where's the body? Does no one say anything? Oh, you already said top left. Upper engine? Yes it is. I was actually about to go there. I was in electric, so I think I'm fine. I'm cleared, I was in electric. I don't think visuals are on. Yeah, visuals are off. I have trash. Visuals are off. You can't get cleared by that. You can't get cleared by the bar though. Brown, olive, green. You know it's not you, but we don't know that. We gonna skip, maybe? Weapons admin, okay, uploading. Actually, that makes sense because uploading had to go to the admin, so I guess that guy's cleared. Maybe. Alright, didn't vote anyone, alright. Nothing really happened, so. Alright, get back on with my tasks. Alright, let's go. Wires. One go. Alright. Let's go admin. I have to do my upload. Another 4 seconds of waiting. Please, no one, report. Alright, uploads. My card. Alright. Oh. Alright, just gonna say where again. Red. Why is it red? Did you see them kill? Security? Alright. I didn't notice the cams were on, so I wasn't paying attention to that. Medbay, the visuals aren't on, my man. You can't. I'm sorry. Alright, vote red, I guess. Guess we're voting red. They're probably not gonna be it. We're gonna all die. There's like 7 people only. And if there's still 2 imposters, then we're very gonna... Oh, never mind. We're fine. Alright, let's get back on our task. Alright, let's go. I haven't gotten voted out yet, and I haven't gotten killed, so I guess I'm doing no. Oh god. I might die right now though. Brown, you better not do it. You see me, Brown? I'm the real imposter. You better not do it. Getting out of here. Why there's so many people in here? Oh my god. Like, everyone's gonna die in that election. Oh, everyone's on this side of the map, like, what's going on? Like, did everyone already do their tasks or something? I still have 3. Uh-oh. I'm paying attention to the vents right now. Waiting to see if anyone's gonna vent. I'm paying attention right now. Oh, we're fine. I'm gonna go in here. Oh, lights. Right, I got lights. No one vented in. Oh, hello guys. I'm gonna have to... I want to do my tasks, but I also want to look for bodies just in case, so I guess I'll do both. Let's get shields, it doesn't matter. There are no visuals anyway, so this doesn't matter. Oh, cafe. Cafe's blocked, okay, never mind. Oh. Let's go see. Oh, admin. O2, CO2. Alright, don't mess it up this time. Why aren't you going to the other one? Alright, nothing's happened yet. No one's found a body. I guess I'll just do tasks. Alright. Okay, never mind. Emergency meeting. Yeah, okay. What happened? What happened? I'm just gonna say what. Still going against the challenge, saying just one thing. Someone kill? I mean, I don't think anyone would be able to kill since everyone's in a giant group. Running from Coral. Chased you down. That's sounds like something the imposter would say. I don't know if I should vote or not. Like, we don't really need to vote. All we need to do is just finish tasks and then just get on with it. There's no reason to vote. Done with tasks? Oh, who isn't done with tasks then? I have still like 1 or 2 more, but like that's it. You'd be dead if I was actually chasing you. I might just skip this. Not the imposter. What are a couple more tasks? Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm trapped. I'm done with tasks and I wanted to go to the I'm gonna have to go to admin. Need to go to admin. We're gonna check freaking where people are. Oh, lights. There's like 5 people. Everyone's on that side of the map. 5 people. 4. Alright, still 5. How many people are there? 5 only? Maybe 6? Alright, some of them are moving. I didn't even notice that door closed again. Alright, those guys are getting real close. Cafe. Electric. Oh. Well, yep, he's closing the door. I'm dead. it. I actually got killed. Alright, well, next game. Ooh, I'm imposter. Alright, let's see how this goes. It's gonna be real hard. Because I'm not gonna be talking, so yeah, it's gonna be real hard. I'm gonna have to act sneaky. Kill one at a time. Can't be killing like 2 people. I mean, I could if I could get away with it. Fake the wires. Okay, body already found. Alright, where's the body? Wait, what? Why is it You're like, where the hell is the body? I'm gonna actually just type this. Okay, I'm gonna type this once because I'm really confused right now. Vitals? Card swipe. We don't have card swipe, but I didn't even notice. Yeah, it was a freaking meeting, not a report, so I'm really confused. Either this guy was teaming with the other guy that got killed, or like, I don't know. There's no reason that it should be like a freaking meeting. Not the imposter. I mean, of course, the other guy's the imposter. Why am I even saying that? Alright, oh. Alright, he's already going with the reactor. I want to kill him, but I can't. Alright. They got reactor. Oh, ice burns. They got reactor. I could have killed him. I'm gonna lock the doors for no reason. I'm just gonna do it for no reason. Oh, that guy just... Alright. 2 people. Oh, you. How am I gonna do this? I can't kill 15 people. I'm just locking things for no reason now. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna have to just follow someone, or I'm just gonna follow. Okay, lights off. I'm just gonna have to follow someone. Okay, body. Where? Okay, how? Why? Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Why? Because lights are off. Like, why? Why? Because, like, lights are off. How can you tell it's pink? Wait. Oh, I guess they were... Okay, so they were together last. I'm gonna have to vote my own freaking teammate because, like, I have no choice. Alright, sorry, my man. You gotta go. Alright, here we go. Lights off. I could kill someone. There we got the lights. I should have actually just killed him right there, but I didn't want to. Too risky. Maybe I use the camera. Like I was thinking, but never mind. That won't work out. But why are you here? I didn't even notice you were here. Free kill. Oh god. Okay. What am I gonna say? I'm in the vet. What am I gonna say? I can't say I was an electric or freaking cams. So, like, what am I supposed to say? Detail yourself. What? Coral. Well, why is it coral? Well, wait, were they like there? Wait, weren't the doors closed, or did they open again? Alright, okay, I'm fine. Hopefully they vote that one guy out. I have no reason to talk actually, so I'm fine. Alright. I guess I'll just wait it out. No one got voted out. Well, this is gonna be kind of hard. Here we go. Gonna have to kill a lot of people on my own. I'm pretty sure people are already suspicious of me. Lights out. Alright, kill. I'm out of here. Okay, that was... Okay, actually, I didn't expect that to happen real fast, but... Where? Electronical? And electronic... okay, whatever. Electronically. Who is he talking to? Dito? Yourself? Who? Alright, Cams the whole time? Wait, what? Never mind. Okay, I guess... I wasn't caffeine. I need to say something in this moment right now, so... Alright. I'm just gonna say I was in cafe, about to exit. Alright. No one okay. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I shouldn't have put that there, but I guess I'll be fine. I'm gonna lose anyway. The bar is already almost full. Like so many people. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Okay. Yeah, I vented, guys. Totally, I vented. I totally vented. I'm just gonna do dumb things. I'm gonna do really dumb things. Maybe they won't suspect me since I'm doing dumb things. Alright. Maybe I can kill someone. At the light. Oh, okay, wow, okay. Okay, okay, I protected by the angel, oh my god. Okay, now I need to kill him because he's gonna report. Close the cafe. Alright, alright, someone's there. Okay, I'm just gonna kill this one guy. I got it. Oh, really, it was him. Well, I'm dead. game sus. No one even suspected me. What are you talking about? That's the key to winning, man. Gotta be quiet. I'm dumb. Obviously, no, you did not win. What do you mean you did not win? I never said I won. GG's. Makes me more sus. Totally, me being the quiet one always gets votes out. It always gets voted out, totally. Alright, defeat. Alright, well, this is where I'm gonna end my vid.